Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make your own unique printable ledger-style junk journal pages, cards and tags using these new easy-to-use junk journal template sets. The page template set includes 6 different lined ledger overlays plus a vintage-style border that you can use with any of the page templates. The card and tag template sets include 7 different sizes and shapes in 2 styles, one set with a vintage style border and one set without for a clean edge finish. The templates come in 2 formats. The PDF format is easy to print and can be used with your own printed papers or scrapbook papers. Or you can use the transparent PNG format in a photo editing program such as Photoshop, Photoshop Elements, or even Canva. Using the PNG format gives you more creative options for designing using digital papers and other template overlays. To print using your own paper, open the PDF template file. In the Print dialog box, make sure the page scaling option is set to none so that the template prints at the correct size. Insert a sheet of printed paper or scrapbook paper into your printer and then print the template page. Although the PDF templates are quick and easy to use, you have more options for creating unique designs when using the transparent PNG format files. To get started designing using the PNG format files, open one of the templates in your photo editing program. I'm using Photoshop Elements, however you could also use Photoshop, Photop, which is free, or even Canva. Then add a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. I'll be using a tea-dyed paper because it has a vintage style look. However, you could use any papers that have light shades of colour. If you have papers with a dark or bright colour, you could use the slider to reduce the opacity to make it lighter. To add the digital paper to your template, you can use the menu commands to select Copy and Paste. Or simply drag the image out of the frame and onto the document. For a very basic ledger paper, you could end the design process here and print it out. You could print directly from your software program or save the file in JPEG format so you have a copy that you can print out at any time. You can also continue the design process to create much more interesting and textured ledger paper by stacking multiple templates, one on top of each other. This template is a page template with torn paper edges and creates a double-page design. Add the template to the design document and move it to the top layer. If you wanted to reveal more of the ledger lines, you can easily remove some of the edges of the template by adding a layer mask and brush away the unwanted areas. Using a layer mask, you can hide any unwanted areas on your design. To add a layer mask, select the layer, then click the layer mask icon. Select the brush tool and the color black, and then brush over the areas that you want to remove. I'm removing some of the paper from the inside section of the template. You can continue adding other types of overlays to build texture and create unique designs. This is a coffee stains texture that will add some stains to the paper. Move this template to a layer underneath the torn paper edges layer. If the effect is too strong, you can reduce the opacity using the opacity slider. This template has a script and pattern texture that can be used to add interesting design elements. Again, if the effect is too strong, you can reduce the opacity. I'm also going to add some stitched edges. These templates need to be positioned on the top layer above the torn paper edges layer. The templates can be resized slightly to fit within the other design elements. To finish off the design, I'm going to add some metal hinges down the centre. Once you've finished designing, save the file and print it out. In a similar way, you can also design junk journal cards and tags to match using the Cards and Tags ledger paper overlays. These templates can also be stacked to create interesting and unique designs in no time at all.